Do you know what GEO or Generative Engine Optimization is? Well, if you're here to find out, then do not click off this video, because in under 5 minutes, we will show you everything you need to know when it comes to GEO. My name is Nick, let's get right into it. So what is GEO? Well, let's look at it this way. You type a question into Google, it crawls billions of web pages, ranks them, it gives you a list of links. You click, you skim, you find what you need, hopefully. But here's the shift. Generative AI, like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity, doesn't show you links, it gives you answers. So how do you rank content when there's no result page to compete on? That's the question GEO tries to answer. It's a new SEO for the age of AI. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. It's a set of practices and strategies to make your content more likely to be surfaced or cited by AI engines when they respond to user prompts. So instead of optimizing for Google's algorithm, you're now optimizing for a language model, basically teaching it to see your content as relevant, accurate, and valuable. So let's say you're trying to write a guide for the best cameras of 2025. You want it to be so good and so clearly structured that when someone asks an AI what are the best cameras right now, it references your content in the answer. That's GEO. Okay, but how do you actually do that? Let's break down a few GEO fundamentals. Authority and trustworthiness. Language models like using sources that look credible. You should include real names, links to reliable citations, and data-backed points. Clarity and structure. Use headers, bullet points, and clean formatting. AI loves structured data. They will likely not prioritize shitty formats. Topical depth. Don't just skim a topic, cover it thoroughly. Models are much more likely to reference sources that demonstrate expertise. Source format. PDFs, FAQs, how-tos, and well-indexed blogs tend to be better understood by generative engines. Think about how an AI reads, and shape your content accordingly. So now let's try putting this into a real scenario. Say you run a travel blog, and you want an AI to recommend your posts on hidden gems in Portugal, right? Here's what you do. Write a detailed, well-researched article with unique insights. Use clear headings like best hidden beaches in Algarve. Add dates, references, and maybe even schema markup. And for those who don't know what a schema markup is, it's code that's added to a website's HTML to help search engines understand the content better. Of course, ensure it's crawlable and fast loading, and there you go. You've just made your post GEO friendly. So, is GEO going to replace SEO? Not exactly, but it's definitely another layer. If SEO is about ranking in Google, GEO is about being recognized by generative engines. As AI continues to change how we search and consume info, optimizing for it is going to be crucial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and definitely subscribe for more SEO content and other useful info on how to make your business more visible. I'd also like to know about your thoughts on GEO and if it impacted your search strategies. Let me know down in the comments. And once again, I'm Nick, and until next time.